Well, I'm going to try and do a video on my phone for you. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I've primed it. I'm not happy at all. There's quite a lot of pinholes still remaining. So all that extra work I put in was technically for nothing. I should have just primed it sooner. I was hoping I was saving myself work. Don't know if you can see it from here, but there, look. Them little bits sticking up is because of pinholes. And I also touched the boat here with a pipe. I'll show you, there's a few pinholes there, look. See them all? So it's not worked, unfortunately. I'm going to have to do a little bit more filling and sanding. There's some more here. You can see in that area there, look. And I did try and get the paint on thicker, and I've caused it to sag. So that doesn't work either. But this is why I've not videoed this whole process. There's a lot of pinholes here, and it looks like fluff. I actually don't know what it is, and you can actually see the join there where I've been working on it. So that needs more work, look. I thought it was gone because I used the guide coat and I thought I couldn't see it, but you can see it. It's not, the whole boat's not terrible. It's come out really good. I said I'm being really disheartened and negative, but there's an area here, quite thick, but you can see I went really thick with the paint and it's not helped. The side panels have come out absolutely amazing. The roof up on top of there has come out amazing. At the moment the front's looking really good and the roof up there is looking really good. This area is terrible, as you can see. The window is covering that, but I'd rather not have it like that. It just looks a mess. So yeah, I'd say 90% of it's come out amazing, better than I thought it might, but there is a few areas I'm really not happy with. So I've not used the other tin of paint. I've stopped mixing, and I'm going to have to do some more prep work. Unfortunately, I've got no choice. I'm just not happy with it. It's got to be right, and this is not right. Not sure how this video will turn out because I'm on my phone obviously, and this shed's pretty dark, but I'll add it into the videos. It doesn't matter how it turns out, it's just so you can see. And this is the other reason I didn't show you the spray job, so I don't know what I'm doing. I haven't got a clue really. I'm just doing it the best I can. I did have a practice with a gun on this bag on the wall to try and get the pattern right, and then on this piece of wood over here you can see I was trying to get the fan right. I might be able to explain it with these, I'm not sure. That's the way I wanted the fan, like those, because it's feathered out, it's not stuck spitting. It's hard to explain. This one's there's a hard line, it was just too much, and then I obviously tweaked and tweaked and tweaked it, and I was happy with these two. As you can see, compared to all of them, they all look similar. But so yeah, and the gun that I'm using is the 3M Accu-Spray right here. It's the 3M PPS 2.0, I think they call it. It's a good gun, and considering I'm getting results like this and I've never really sprayed, you can see on top of the gunnels there, it's come out nice really. Just got to fix these bloody pinholes. I don't like doing swear words on my channel, but it's pissing me off. So, right, I'll leave this video here. The next video you'll see will hopefully be me saying it's ready for top coat. So that's it for this one. I'll end this video here. I don't know how long it'll be. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy this type of content and want to see more, please consider subscribing. There is a playlist with a lot of videos on there, probably 20 plus videos of this boat from the start till now. And it's been a nightmare with lots of ups and downs. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Another day we can't work on it. It's absolutely soaked. As you can see, the weather is blowing straight in. If you can see it from here, it's absolutely soaking wet. Look. So yeah, it's another day written off, unfortunately. But the primer job's not too bad. Now it's gone fully dry. I can see where I need to work, and there's not too many areas. But obviously today is not one of the days I can do it. But this is fresh primer. I don't really want it wet, to be honest. I don't think it'd be good. It's not fully cured still. It takes like 14 days. But as you can see, it's turned out good. I have been up and checked the roof up there and all up there. It's all spot on, so that's good news. There's a lot of pinholes on the transom at the back, so I've got to get that fixed. But yeah, so I'll give you a quick video update. Weather is absolutely horrible. I've just dried this side, so well, I may as well go and get some other work done somewhere else, because this is not happening today.